begins sharing the oxygen mask with the baby. At that moment, Evelyn comes back and hears the noises, so she fires a bullet to get the monster's attention. Once the creature comes out, Evelyn shoots one of the tanks and sets the beast on fire, but it doesn't kill it. The flames cause the sprinklers to activate and the noise distracts the monster, allowing Evelyn to walk past it and return to the basement. She rushes to open the bunker and finds Marcus unconscious, so she quickly wakes him up and replaces the oxygen tank. Then she closes the bunker door without locking it to wait for the beast to leave. After crossing a bridge, Regan and Emmett reach a pier. As they approach a boat, they hear a noise and discover a little girl crouched on the deck. Emmett comes closer and the girl suddenly throws a noose around his neck while a group of creepy guys come out of hiding. The men take interest in Regan, ripping off her shirt and removing her implant. Approving what they see, they begin taking her back to their boat. Emmett remembers the baseball game and signs the words dive and before attacking the guy with the net attached to the noose. As Regan jumps away, the man drops his lamp and it breaks, starting a fire on the deck and making noise for two monsters to find them. While everyone runs away in fear, Emmett ties the guy to a post and stabs his leg to leave him as monster bait. Then he jumps into the water, however the rope keeps him from swimming away. When the monster finally kills the man, Emmett is finally free. A creature comes after him, however it can't swim and ends up drowning while the other monster stands on a ship, not knowing what to do. Regan soon shows up in a boat and rescues Emmett, who reveals the hearing aid hiding inside his mouth. Moments later, Regan and Emmett reach an island and find a community of survivors living in peace. These people have been here from the beginning. They escaped on boats when they heard the sirens on the day of the incident. After a warm dinner, Emmett goes for a walk on the beach and stares at a drawing of his wife. Suddenly he hears a loud crashing sound and follows it to the edge of the shore, where he finds a ship with claw marks on its side. Emmett rushes back to the survivors to warn them, but it's too late. The monster arrives and starts killing people while everyone tries to run and hide. As Emmett runs toward a house, he picks up a kid and helps him hide inside. An island man also hides his child, then he, Regan, and Emmett get in a car to drive away.